What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to be reviewing this MTN router, and it says MTN not NG. I don't know if the NG means Nigeria, but that's what I know NG to mean, but that's just by the way. And I can also see cat 4, the top right of the box, and I don't know if that represents the company Caterpillar, but well, that's their color as well. So anyway, let's go straight into it. Now, this is the interior and how it looks. So after putting the receipt aside, we have the main thing that we need, which is the router itself, nicely packaged. I thought it would even come in a yellow color because MTN has the yellow color thing, but well, let's continue. So inside the box we have this device, which I'll be checking out what it actually does. I actually don't know what this device is meant for, but yeah, it's part of the whole packaging. In order not to forget, we also have the user guide that comes with the whole setup and how to put everything together to make them work. It's not really a user guide per se, but it has one or two illustrations on it, and it's in the box. You'll find it out, don't worry. I'll later find out what's it. But it works like a power bank. So I don't know whether it works maybe alongside, maybe let me see, if there's no light, I mean electricity or something. I don't know. But let's put that aside. And now we have the main device plug. I mean the connector that the power cable that makes the whole thing work. Now going into the box, we also have the Ethernet cable. I don't know whether I would even use this, but well, we have it. And the two, I don't know if I should call it the terminals, we have them here as well. Now let's go into the other side of the whole unboxing. Okay, so after you're done setting the whole thing up and turning on the router, head on to this website, which I'll link in the description. You can also type it as I'm doing so. It's the mtnbroadband.ng website, and over here on the login page, all you have to do is to type in admin in order to get into it. Mine will be a different thing because I've already set my whole device up, but the default one you would see is admin. Now I'll blur this page up because you're not supposed to see one or two things here, but you would see a whole lot of settings you can do from here. You can check the number of devices connected, the name of the device. You can change the settings of the connection to LTE or Wi-Fi. You can set up your own password. I'm sure the first thing you'd even see is setting up the password. Now you put in a password for both turning on the network. You can even change the name as well, or you can set a password for the logins into the web page hosting you're seeing over there. You can also do a whole lot of things, reading of messages, a lot, which I'll not be talking about. But once you get into the website, I'm sure you will get to know all these things. For safety reasons and for safety and privacy reasons, I would need to blur or put out some things from the video. So well, that's one thing I would like to talk about when it comes to the setup using the user interface. Now, one thing you have to know about this device is when you buy it, you have to set it up for broadband, meaning you have to buy a SIM card that will work with broadband services. So register it purposely for that. And I want to avoid using cellular because cellular might be expensive and it might not work like how the broadband will work faster on the way you would like, how you would like to use it. So that's one thing I was told when I was purchasing this device. Okay, so I checked the internet speed of the LTE, not the broadband, the LTE, because that's what I was using. And the download speed was around 31, as you can see. The upload speed was around 26.2. It's not a bad number, it's a very good one, and it can help me in my easy workflow. So that's one thing I would like to talk to you about. Anyway, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions concerning this router, please put it down in the comment section and I'll make sure I get back to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll be with you in the next one.